I'm sharing with you English is a beautiful language. Everyone knows about English. How can we define our thought? Everyone doesn't know because they are not doing try over and over again. So I didn't know about English in my initial day, in my past, in my previous time, so that at least I thought I used to watch any videos sometimes, or during the watching, just like if we are watching any reels, and in between time there is any ad, and those are described their thought in English also, so that at least I was unable to understand easily with appropriately. But I tried, and uh, I used to listen anywhere, and then, but I was good at grammar as well. But I had tried over and over again. So in this way, I improved lot. I improved too much, very a lot. So in this way, all student, there is no need. Those are only student. They can understand. They can speak easily with appropriately. It doesn't matter. Everyone and all people, all youth generation, old age people, those are interested, who are interested, or who is interested of speaking English, and they are trying over and over again in a certain terms. They can describe their thought with easily, with clearly, and with strongly. And any some people, they are giving their effort with determined, with determination. We do our work. We don't feel unsuperstitious. If we are not superstitious, we believe, uh, we believe only our hard work, our determination, our consistency. So with consistency, with determined person, those are interested, they do try over and over again in this way. And any different method they apply in their daily routine. So it's depend only all person. I'm talking all those person, those are interested of speaking English. So English is a global language, and everyone doesn't can't speak properly with appropriately. So all person, they live in inside our community, or we speak, we communicate each other with together only your mother tongue. This is also not good, and we can't convey your thought in this way only your mother tongue. We are going to outside, just like we are going to traveling anywhere. Our mood is finding, want to do any different something, and we stop there. And there are so many vehicle, based on transport, based on atmosphere is not fine here. There are so many transport, they have stopped beside us, and it has been stopped inside, behind of us. So how can we go outside, and how can we convey thought with others? Those are strangers, I don't know who are this position, who is this position, and what should I do. And also atmosphere is not good. And if we need to, just like oxygen, and all people, they do this work all around us. We observe this, just like any bad oxygen, bad carbohydrate. So we must be realized, we about we can speak also transport. Without transport, we can't take anywhere so many things, so many items, domestic items, and any vegetable also. If we are cooking food, during the cooking food, we use most of the time green vegetables. So green vegetables, how can we find, how can we cook, and first we bought from outside. This is not matter, we must be realize, we must be speak based on any another topic, any different kind of topic. So it's depend person to person how can we convey our thought. And in first if you are talking any first time, so you can take also, you can do apply in your daily routine, you can do translation method. It is also, you heard me right guys, I used to apply it, I applied in myself. I used to make a translation method just like based on our mother tongue. This is also very best idea. It is also very clarity, we can convey our thought, and this is the also very good way. And if we are speaking somewhere, we are doing our household chores, so during the doing this work, that work, I'm cooking food, this curry, it will be very tasty, very delicious. And we will be I will be serve food all my family members, and they will give me some aspiration, some praise, and I will be find out good environment inside my house, and then we will live together with beautiful way and with a good way. This is the also very good idea. So it is the, this is method uh, of enhance this skill, and in this way we can develop all our personality as well as our all those things, our knowledge. So I need your support guys, and please, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it.